and girls, and welcome to today's math lesson. It's Mrs. Noakes' Thursday math lesson. We're almost done with this week. This is awesome. You guys have worked so hard. I just really quickly want to tell you what our learning target is today. Our learning target is I can identify teen numbers as a group of 10 single ones put together and some other extra single ones. Okay, and then we're also going to be making equations out of the teen numbers, and I'm going to show you why it's so important to know your teen numbers. Okay, it has to do with counting. So here we go. Let's first of all talk about the numbers we're going to make: 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And the way that I put my groups of 10 together today is I made long groups of 10. There are 10 squares here with 10 red dots. So that's my group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can tell these are all groups of 10 because they're equal. And so that is our group of 10. So to make our equation out of 10 single ones plus an extra one, which makes 11, right, is we can go 10. So first of all, 11 equals 10 plus how many single ones? Well, one single one. Let's count. 10, 11. That's correct. Okay. 12 is also a group of 10, so that would be 10 single ones plus 1, 2 single ones. Is that correct? Yes, it is, because look, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 13 equals a group of 10, which is 10 single ones, plus 1, 2, 3. So let's count it. 10, 11, 12, 13. Good job. All right, 14 is a group of 10 single ones put together, so that would be 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 14. And then it just keeps going all the way down to the bottom. Now, let me tell you why it is so very important to be able to recognize teen numbers, first of all, and then also why it's so important in counting. If you were to see one of these strips without the numbers in front of it, you would not have to count the whole entire thing, right? You could just go, oh, I already know this is 10, so I'm going to count on from 10 because I don't have to sit here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why? You already know that's 10, and you know that after 10 comes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So you know immediately that that number was 19. Okay, so let's look at this one. You know this is a group of 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You count on from the 10. Let's do it up here. This is your group of 10. Don't count it. You know it's 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? All right, so let's do this one again. You probably already know what it is, but just as an example, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You don't have to count the group of 10 once you've established that these are all groups of 10. That's the other beautiful thing about teen numbers. Now, in your math book, you guys are going to do a page like this. I have it listed on the activity slide, and you're also going to make a little book that came out of your math expressions book. And again, it's listed on the activity slide, the page numbers. And so mom and dad might have to help you pull the pages out and then cut them apart, okay? So I already prepared mine. It's called My Unit 5 Teen Number Book. And you can put your name on it. I'm going to put, don't put Mrs. Noakes, please. That's our inside joke, isn't it? I always used to say that to you. Don't put Mrs. Noakes on there. Okay. And so now what you're going to do is you're going to see the numbers. So the first one is not a teen number, it's just a group of 10. So you can figure out, okay, which way do I want to represent my group of 10? I chose to do some Unifix cubes. Okay, so just make sure that you have one group of 10. All right, on this next page, I did the ladybugs from earlier. Remember we did a lesson on tens and ones or teen numbers, and I made a stick of ladybugs, so I decided, hey, I can use that again, right? So I represented my group of 10 together as ladybugs on the branch, but my single one is flying off by himself because he's a single one. But together they make 10, 11. Okay. And then here I did a pizza. Well, it's not finished all the way yet, but I did a pizza with 10 pieces. So that's my group of 10. And then here are my single ones. So I have 10 plus 2 equals 12. 10, my one group of 10 and 2 single ones equals the number 12. And you don't have to write the equation down on the bottom as long as you have your group of 10 and your single ones. That's fine. This is a can do. I just thought I'd add it to really make it a good math book. Okay, and so here I did some Skittles in a bowl. My mom's favorite food as of late is Skittles. I have to constantly go buy her Skittles at the grocery store. And so that's what made me think that. But what you could do is draw your group of Skittles in a bowl, right? I have 10 Skittles in here and then 3 out here. That's 10, 11, 12, 13, or 10 plus 3 equals 13. Let's see if I can't think of something else. Oh, I just thought of a really cool one. You could do a bunch of balloons. This kind of reminds me of Professor Doodlebug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I can put my balloons on here. I'll just make them all the same color to save time, but you can do different colors if you like. And then, so this one, these are still being held down. And then here is this is 14, so 4 of them are flying away, flying away, flying away over here. I'll make those green. Do you see that? So you have a group of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Or you could write it as an equation and say 14 equals 10 plus 4 single ones, okay? And then you do it all the way up to 19. Can't wait to see what you're going to do. Please share this with me on Seesaw. Have a fun time. Remember, today's Thursday. One more lesson. Yay! You guys are rock stars.